Good morning, children. Today you will learn about how does muscle work. Okay. So in the previous class you learned about what are the muscles and what are the different types of muscles, right? The muscles which cover the bones and give the shapes, and it helps for movement, right? And the different types of the muscles are voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, and the cardiac muscles, right? Now today you are learning about how does this muscle work. Okay, it is actually by the contraction and relaxation. Okay, contraction and relaxation. See, when a muscle contract, that time it becomes tighten and thicken, then it is shorten also. Okay, and relaxation, it becomes in the normal size. How it was, it was the same way it comes back. That means in original size it comes back. Okay, see, if we are saying about this muscles, when it works, it always work in pairs. Okay, work in pairs. Okay, it will not work alone. Pair means two muscles should be together, and then it always pull only. Okay, it pulls but never push the one. Okay, pull the bonds but will not push the bonds. See, sometimes when you are sitting, or when you are moving here and there, or sitting at a long time, that time your legs or your bones, somewhere you may get some kind of vibrations you may feel. That is because of this muscle cramp only. Okay, muscles only. They are only doing because they are pulling the bonds. Okay, not to push the bonds. Now see how. See, when a bone, that means when a one muscle, see, if we are saying about the hand, my hand, okay, here if I am saying about there are two muscles on my if I am saying here, okay, hand. So this backside muscle is known as tricep. Okay, tricep. And another one front side, this is what this is the bicep muscles. Okay, biceps. You may used to see this one. Some of your brothers, they used to show the muscles to you, right? When they bend like this, biceps becomes swollen. Okay, and they shows that, see, I am the man, that way. Okay, I am having the power, see my muscle power, like that. Okay, it is a biceps only. Understood? So the two types of the two muscles are there on your arm, that is biceps and the triceps. See, when if I bend my arm, okay, if I bend my hand like this, what happens? This biceps muscles contract. Okay, when I bend, my biceps muscles contract, and that time it swollen also, shorten, right? Hand is shorten. That time this muscles relax. Okay, now when I stretch my hand down straight, the same way, straight way, that time this biceps rest and the triceps work. Okay, it stretches. Okay, it only contract. Okay, that means work. Understood? Triceps and biceps, that means if one muscle work, then another muscle rest. Okay, that is what to say, that it is in pairs. Understood? Okay, now see, if I am saying about this one, that actually what is mean by cartilage. This one, it is finished. Okay, children, that means the how the muscles work, it is actually in pairs it works. And if one muscle contract, another one relax, that only. Okay, if the biceps contract, the triceps relax, and if the triceps contract, that time biceps relax, that way. That is when only when bending and stretching the hands. Okay, understood? Now the next one what I wanted to explain is The one thing I didn't explain to you children, that is actually the cartilage. Okay, what? Cartilage. Cartilage means what it is children? It is actually neither bone nor muscles. Okay, they are the soft bones, we can see. Okay, they are not hard bones, soft bones. See, you can see your ears. Here it is bending, right? Flexible. Elasticity is there. You can stretch it also. The same way here in your nose, this also, right? And even you can inside, if you are saying the respiratory, that lungs when it is there, now there the tracheal, the windpipe, that there also you can see the cartilageous rings are there. Okay, that means it is having the elasticity, so it will be stretchable. And this actually, why it is actually, what is its function? It protects the bones from rubbing each other. Okay, so the bones, actually the bones are somewhere, they joined, where the joint is there na, in that places actually cartilages are covered. Okay, they are there to protect the bones by rubbing each other. If one bone is from here, right, and another bone here, and in that place, this place, if there nothing is there, what happens? They may rub each other. When the movement, when you move, that time they may rub each other, and there is a chance to break it. So that to prevent that, such places, the cartilages are there, the elastic things are there. Okay, they only covered these bones to protect it from rubbing against each other. Okay, that is cartilage. And if you say about ligaments, you learned already. What is this word ligament? Ligament, they actually, these are the tissues. Okay, these are the tissues which connect the bones. That means one bone joined with another bone. They in between, how they are connecting with the ligaments. Okay, and now what about tendons? What about tendons? Tendons are the strong fibers which connect the bones to muscles, as well as muscle to muscle. Two muscles together joined by the tendons, as well as one muscle and one bone. They are also joined by the tendons. Understood, children? Now what else is remaining? Now see how can we keep our bones and muscles strong? How can we keep our muscles and bones? Muscles and bones, how can we keep it healthy? Okay, healthy. How can? Actually by proper exercise. The first one, by proper exercise. Okay, daily, that means regular exercise you have to do. Okay, regular exercise and a proper food. Okay, regular exercise, that means one day you are doing, another one day not doing. No, it is not like that. Regularly, daily you have to do it. Then proper diet. Okay, proper diet, and along with this diet you have to take the calcium rich food. Okay, calcium rich food. Which one it is? Calcium rich food. Banana, if you are taking that, bananas they are having, and milk. Okay, banana, milk, they are having, they are calcium rich only. Okay, and then correct posture. Okay, correct posture. How it is correct posture? What is meant by posture? Correct posture means when you are walking, when you are moving, when you are sitting, that time the position of your body, how you are keeping the body, that position is known as posture. Okay, if you are not in the correct posture, that also damages your cells. Okay, and the bones. And you can't, then afterwards you may get a pain also. That also there. Then afterwards, what else is there? Do this one. Okay, what? In the exercise itself, yoga also can do it, and you can say the outdoor games. Okay, Outdoor games. Outdoor games. What are the outdoor games, children? You all like cricket, right? Mostly the boys like cricket and the girls like badminton. These all are the outdoor games. That means you are going outside your house and playing. That only outdoor games. Then what else is there? Everything finished. That means you understood now how can we keep our bones and muscles healthy. Clear? Now once again I am asking you children, how does the muscles work? The muscles work by the contraction and relaxation of the things. Okay, contraction and relaxation. Okay, when we bend our arms, that time it is not only the arms, okay, even in a leg also, if you are saying the whole body is covered of bones and muscles, right? So when we, if I can show this one only, when we bend our arms, that time my biceps muscles shorten and triceps, that time triceps muscles relax. Okay, it is working. Biceps contract means it is in work, it is working. Then if I lengthen my, that means stretch my hands, that time by my biceps it relax and my triceps muscles contract. Okay, that only this one, this way only the muscles work. They always work in pairs. Okay, children, understood? Thank you children. Read the chapter thoroughly. Your chapter now finished. Okay, this chapter totally finished. Now children, in the next class I will give the question answers. Okay, till that please children take care. Okay, thank you.